Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products on the market. Today, we're exploring one of the finest culinary treasures from Morocco, Mina Preserved Lemons. These aren't just any preserved lemons. They're celebrated for their authentic taste and quality. Mina Preserved Lemons are hand-picked on Moroccan farms and carefully cured in sea salt, preserving their natural zest and vibrant flavor. They're a staple in Moroccan cuisine, known for their versatility and ability to enhance a wide range of dishes. These lemons offer a rich, zesty taste that adds depth to any dish. Use them in salads, tagines, couscous, sauces, and more. Made with just lemons, water, and sea salt, they're non-GMO, vegan, and gluten-free. Handcrafted and packed with care to ensure premium quality. Now, let's explore how you can incorporate these lemons into your cooking. Perfect for traditional Moroccan tagines, adding a tangy twist. Slice them thinly to brighten up your salads and dressings. Enhance the flavor of seafood dishes or roast chicken with a Mediterranean flair. In conclusion, Mina Preserved Lemons are not just a condiment but a gateway to Moroccan culinary traditions. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook looking to elevate your dishes, these lemons are a must-have. Click the link in the description to get your jar and bring a taste of Morocco to your kitchen today.